Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Yes, the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday September the 28th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. And we have 3 puzzles left. The binary puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Alright, let me start with the 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 5246. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, that's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. I do not know if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, we have here 3 2s, we have here 1 3, 2 4s, 4 5s. Alright. How about the 6s? 1 2 3 4 6s, 3 7s, 1 8 and 3 9. So the 5s and the 6s are a majority. Let me start with the 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, right. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 5 in this column? Third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. We have a 5 in this row, the 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay, I cannot continue with the 5. Cannot continue with the 6. So let me choose another digit. Yeah. 1, 1. 1 in the first column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Interesting. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 4. 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. But we have a 1, 1 here. I believe 1, 1. Yeah. Well. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Oh, right. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. 5, 6, the 9. 3, 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the last column. Should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So that column. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3. No, 3 9s, yes. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. 6. Now I can continue with the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, second column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. How about the 5? 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Nope. I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. 3, 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. 2. Okay, 2. 2 should be there. 2. What are these 3 missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. Well, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 8. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here 2 and a 3. Yeah. 6, 9. 2. 2. 2. 7 should be here. No. 7 should be there. 7 should be here. 7 should be here. 7 should be there. Okay, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. One box left in the first column for number 3. Alright. Now... two and the 4. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. Yes, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here, 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7, okay. 2, 2. Come on, come on, come on. 2 and 3. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Thinking, thinking, thinking. 8, 7, and a 3. 8, 7, and 3. So one box left. We have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. So one box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. Okay. 2 and 3. What the 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. We have a pair. 1 and 8 in this row. 1 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Okay. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 2, okay. 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, 4 and a 2. 4 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in a third row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8, it goes there. 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 7, 8, okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left in this big square, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Yeah. 4 and 5. Okay. And now. 8 and the 4. Well, 1 and the 8. 1, 1. Interesting. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this last row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 it goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary puzzle and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.